Claude's new update is insane and it's free. You've been using AI wrong this whole time. Every single conversation, you start from scratch. You explain yourself again and again and again. Your AI has no idea who you are, what you're working on, or how you like things done. That's hours of your life wasted every single week. But that just changed. And the best part? It's completely free. Hey, I'm Ava, your AI educator. I break down AI tools so you can actually use them, not just hear about them. If you want to stay ahead with practical, no-fluff AI updates, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. Because today we're talking about one of the most useful things Claude has ever done, and they just gave it away for free. Let's get into it. ChatGPT has had memory for a while, but they're now rolling out ads for free users. Google Gemini just made a similar move, but Anthropic just did something that none of us were expecting. They took their memory feature, which was a paid-only feature since August 2025, and made it completely free for every single Claude user on the planet. No subscription required. And I want to make sure you actually understand how powerful this is because most people are going to scroll past this and miss it entirely. So what exactly is Claude Memory? When you turn it on, Claude starts building a profile of you automatically across every conversation. Your preferences, your ongoing projects, the way you like things formatted, your goals, and it stores all of that. So the next time you open a new chat, Claude already knows who it's talking to. No more repeating yourself, no more re-explaining your context. It just knows. Here's what I think a lot of people are going to sleep on. You have complete control over what Claude remembers. You can see exactly what it has stored, edit it, or delete everything off Anthropic's servers completely. You can also pause memory if you want a clean session, but keep everything it has already learned. And one of the most underrated parts, you can keep memories separated by project. So your personal conversations don't bleed into your work. That's huge for anyone using Claude across multiple areas of their life. Now, I know what some of you are thinking, this sounds good, but I'm already on ChatGPT. I've got months of context built up in there. Do I have to start all over? No. And this is where it gets really interesting. Anthropic just launched a memory import tool alongside this update. You can actually export everything ChatGPT, Gemini, or any other AI chatbot knows about you and import it directly into Claude. All your preferences, all your context, all your saved instructions in one copy-paste. Here's how it works. Anthropic gives you a ready-made prompt. You paste it into whatever AI you're currently using. That AI generates a full summary of everything it knows about you, formatted so Claude can read it. You copy that output, go to Claude's memory settings, paste it in, and within 24 hours, Claude is fully caught up on your history and preferences. It's the AI equivalent of porting your phone number to a new carrier. You're not starting from scratch, you're bringing everything with you. When I first started seriously using AI tools, I had no idea which features were actually worth my time and which ones were just noise. That's when I found a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members, all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. Now let me give you the full picture of what else is going on because memory is just one piece of a much bigger story. Claude's free user base has grown 60% since the start of 2026. Paid Pro and Max subscribers have doubled. And right now, Claude is the #1 free app on the US App Store, a spot ChatGPT has basically owned for years. Anthropic has been steadily moving premium features to the free tier over the past few months. File creation, connectors that link Claude to your apps and tools, skills for repeatable workflows, longer conversations, image search, all of it now free. The model powering the free tier is Claude Sane 4.6, which Anthropic rolled out in February 2026 as the new default for both free and pro users. It's faster, better at coding, stronger at following detailed instructions, and better at handling longer, more complex tasks. This is the same model powering their cowork productivity tool for knowledge workers. So a free Claude account today gets you a genuinely capable model, memory, file creation, connectors, skills, and the ability to import your full history from another AI. That's not a stripped-down free tier. That's a real product. Now let's talk setup because I don't want you to walk away from this without taking action. Step 1, go to Claude.ai and create a free account if you don't have one. Step 2, go into settings, find the memory section, and turn it on. This is opt-in. Claude doesn't turn it on without your permission, so if you've been using Claude already and haven't done this, it's not running yet. Step 3. Let it run for a few days. Claude will start building your profile automatically. Step 4. If you're switching from another AI, use Anthropic's import prompt, paste it into your old chatbot, copy the output, and paste it into Claude's memory settings. Step 5. After a day or two, go review what Claude has stored. Edit anything inaccurate, add anything missing. The more accurate your memory, the better your results. Here's the bigger picture. The tools that felt like premium features 6 months ago are becoming the standard. If you're not keeping up with these updates, you're leaving real efficiency on the table. Every improvement compounds over time. The people building strong AI habits right now are going to be significantly better at their work a year from now. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working, what's not, which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip. No hype, just solid, practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates like this one and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, the SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are doing serious work with AI. If you found this useful, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.